In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gmail. If you're someone who spends a lot of time staring at your screen, switching to dark mode can be a game changer. Not only is it easier on the eyes, especially in dim environments, but it also gives your inbox a sleek and modern look. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make this change. First, you'll want to open Gmail on your computer. Once you're in your inbox, you'll notice a gear icon at the upper right hand corner of the page. This icon represents your settings and it's your gateway to customizing Gmail to suit your preferences. Simply click on this gear icon to proceed to the next step. After you click on the settings icon, a drop down menu will appear. Here you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the section labeled Theme. Clicking on this will open up a variety of theme selections for you to personalize your Gmail experience. Next, you'll see the option labeled View All under the theme section. This is where you'll find a wider array of themes beyond the default ones that are readily visible. Click on View All to reveal all the available themes. Once you've done that, scroll through the list until you come across the dark theme. It should be fairly easy to spot since it will have a dark background indicative of the theme it will apply. Click on this dark theme to select it. Finally, and arguably the most important step, is to save your changes. You'll notice a Save button after selecting the dark theme. Click on Save to ensure that your choice is applied. This will set your Gmail to use the dark mode, immediately transforming the look of your inbox to the new dark scheme, which can help reduce eye strain and even conserve a little bit of battery life on devices with OLED screens. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Gmail. Remember, switching themes is reversible, so feel free to experiment with other themes if you wish. But for now, enjoy the comfort and style that comes with your new Gmail look. If you found these steps helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.